Okay, so hello guys, this is review number 833 and this is MacBook 2019, I mean it is 2020, sorry. The model is the A2179. So what we did was replace the panel because it got cracked. So this is how we replace the panel using the original housing. So this is after job, after it's done and ready to send to customer. Nicely done. So I'll let you know if you have the problem that your Mac screen got cracked. Just replace the panel, use the original housing. You can do it at the smart use of it. So see you on the next video.